Hi friends, it's me again, Becky Betts, PRAVANA Senior Artistic Educator. I'm excited to show you an easy color blocking technique using the new HydraGloss. First, I'm going to divide the hair into 8 sections to create a working guide for easier color application. On each side of the head, starting an inch above the ear, I'm taking diagonal forward partings to create 3 back-to-back slices and applying my lightening formula. Pro tip, take thin 1/8-inch sections and apply the lightening formula like you would cream cheese on a bagel for full saturation. When using lightener, I always start about a 1/2 inch at the base, feathering it down to secure it to the foil. That way I have control over what I'm doing and I'm able to feather into the root. In the fringe section, starting 1 inch above the hairline, I'm taking 2 back-to-back horizontal slices and applying my lightening formula. While the lightening processes, I'm going to apply Formula 1 to the base, taking 1/2 inch sections, dragging it down 1 to 2 inches. Then I'm going to go back through, taking the same 1/2 inch sections and altering it from Formula 1 and Formula 2 on the mid-length and ends, blending them into the base. When using a dark color and a lighter color, when melting, I always apply my lighter formula to the ends, working it up to that section and melting it together then. When using a darker formula on top and melting it down the hair strand, it can transfer a lot more color than you're wanting to transfer. On the fringe, I'm going to use a piece of cotton to secure that color so it won't bleed into my lightener. On towel dried hair, I'm going to apply Formula 1, a 1B to level 9-10 to create the midnight blue. Pro tip, test strand your formulas to see what your final result will be. In this case, it's creating a midnight blue to a level 9-10. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the technique and learned a little bit more about the HydraGloss. You can follow me at The Blonding Rebel on Instagram and always check out PRAVANA's website at pravana.com for more education.